chop, chop. Hey! Corn chopper, chop, chop. Ziggy was a little boy living in a yard so bare. Mama sick, no food there, ting them did a wear. Sell the cow, she tell him, Ziggy, you have to try. Fi bring back little money, make we can survive. I, Ziggy and the Beanstalk, I know a wicked story. Seeds of magic, climbing up to glory. Giant in a castle with a heart of stone. Ziggy a go and climb for take back what is his own. Down to market, Ziggy go with Bessie by him side. But him trade the coffee beans, him said, this me gonna ride. Mama vex, she says, Ziggy me dear, beans alone can't help you, you know. She fling the beans outside the window full of bitterness. Next morning sun bright shine, a thing him never see. A giant beanstalk reaching up beyond the sea. Curiosity take him like a yamp on vine. Ziggy start for climb him, leave the yard behind. Ziggy and the Beanstalk, I know a wicked story. Seeds of magic, climbing up to glory. Giant in a castle with a heart of stone. Ziggy a go and climb for take back what is his own. Him reach the top of castle, they up in the sky so blue. Giant's wife, a womankind, she said, boy, what you gonna do? She hide him quick inside the oven before the giant come. Fee, five, four, from him roar, I smell a little man. Ziggy watch the giant count, golden egg them gleam. Then him fall asleep a snore, a wicked thunder dream. Ziggy grab the golden hen and the golden harp so sweet. And him run like lightning with the rhythm in him feet. Ziggy and the Beanstalk, I know a wicked story. Seeds of magic, climbing up to glory. Giant in a castle with a heart of stone. Ziggy a go and climb for take back what is his own. Giant chase him down, the stalk start for shake. Ziggy call him mama, bring the axe for goodness sake. She chop the stalk, the giant fall with a mighty crashing sound. Ziggy and mama rich now, blessings all around. Them share the gold, them share the eggs, them help the needed too. Ziggy learn a lesson about ambition, brave and true. Yeah, Ziggy and the Beanstalk, a Jamaican tale so bright. Shown say even little man can conquer any height. So believe in yourself and hold your head up high. And maybe one day you reach a castle in the sky, Rastafari.